Hi, this is me, starting something new, alone. Walang big announcement, walang grand plan, just me, showing up. Ang totoo, ang daming beses ko nang gustong mag-start ng ganito. Pero lagi kong iniisip, ready na ba ako? May sense ba to? May makikinig ba? And siguro, dahil doon, di ako nagsisimula. Pero lately, I realized, baka hindi naman kailangan maging ready. Baka hindi kailangan perfect. Baka hindi kailangan may direction agad. Minsan, kailangan mo lang talaga magsimula. Kahit magulo, kahit unsure. Kasi, if I'm being honest, hindi ko rin naman fully alam kung anong ginagawa ko. I'm still figuring things out. Life, decisions, sarili ko. Lahat. As in, lahat. And maybe, that's okay. Maybe this space, hindi siya about having everything together. Maybe this is just a place where I can be real. No filters, no pressure to impress, just life. No expectations, no need to prove anything. I just want to share moments, random thoughts, and real conversations. Yung parang kausap mo lang ako kahit hindi mo ko kilala personally. No pressure, just life.